Sports should resume.
Providence will favor the prepared.
Michigan head coach Jim Harbaugh continues to get his team ready for the upcoming football season. But if it does get played out, his Wolverines will only face Big Ten opponents. The conference making the decision to get rid of non-conference opponents in every fall sport to provide greater flexibility on scheduling decisions due to the evolving coronavirus pandemic.
COVID is part of our society. Wasn't caused by football or caused by sports. And there's no expert view right now that I'm aware of, or that are agreeing expert views that sports is going to make that worse.
That comment has Harbaugh taking some heat. While there has been no scientific study done on COVID and football, Dr. Michael Sullivan says in general the sport goes against safety guidelines.
We hear everything about social distancing and keeping apart, wearing masks, all these things to try and reduce the spread of the disease. Think about a football field. There's 11 people on each side in close quarters. You really can't be 6 feet apart.
Sullivan adds that you can't wear a mask playing football, so that also ups the risk level. So I asked him, with those factors in mind and with where the coronavirus numbers are nationwide, do you think we will see football played this fall?
I have a lot more doubts about that. As our country is opening up, even here in Michigan, we're starting to see a slight uptick in terms of cases. And I think a lot of that is attributable to people not adhering to the social distancing, people getting out, people getting in crowds. And as we're starting to hear more and more schools are saying they're going completely online and not going to have students on campus, it raises my doubts whether we're going to see sports or not.
As for the Big Ten, the conference says it hopes to make a decision on whether or not the season will be played by the end of the month. Reporting for WNEM TV5, I'm Jason Field.